In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a front post stitch. Keep in mind that your pattern is going to tell you whether you'll be doing a front post double crochet or half double crochet. So this is more on how to do the stitch and less on how to do a specific type of front post stitch. As I look at my work from the side, I see these long bodies that create the stitches. This long body is also called a post. And when you go to work a stitch, you can work into the top of the stitch or under the V's, or you can work around the body of the stitch. When I work a front post double crochet, the result of the stitch is going to be that the post is accentuated and continues up to the next height of this stitch level, and it will look like it is without interruption. So I'll yarn over, insert my hook behind the stitch so that the complete stitch is in front of my hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I'll yarn over and pull through two twice to complete the double crochet. Now it looks as if the post of my double crochet has continued all the way up to the place where I'm working now. If I do that again, I'll yarn over. I'll go to the next post and insert my hook behind the post. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through twice to complete the double crochet. It still makes the V's on the top of the stitch like normal, but again, you can see that the posts look like they extend in the front. That's why it's called a front post double crochet. You can see the back side of these stitches all in the back. They're hidden by these front posts. Front post crochet stitches can be made as single crochets, double crochets, or half double crochets, so that part will be determined by the pattern you're crocheting.